Someone slipped a note under my door this morning, telling me they have a job for me. A job means a hit. A hit means an assassination. And that means money. My name is Anthony Denoso, and I kill people for money.
Denoso.
That's me. What's the job? I like to get to the point.
My employer is having trouble with a counterpart of his. He wishes the gentleman to be taken out.
What's it pay?
$500,000.
Wow. Who's talking?
Angelo Caduto.
I know Caduto. I'm in.
I'll meet you here 2 days after the completion of the job. Sometime at the same time and place. To start, I'll give you $5,000 in a mug shot. Have fun.
Angelo Caduto. I'm gonna enjoy this. No point waiting. It's been too long since the old man and I have seen each other. Time to get to business. His name is Gianni Caduto. He's a low-life punk dealer, but he's Caduto's nephew, so he's a good place to start.
Gianni. Oh, shit!
He'll know where Angelo is. I don't expect him to tell me immediately. Tell me where your uncle is, Gianni. It'll be quicker.
Screw you, dude! I didn't tell you where the boss is. I don't have to tell you nothing!
And of course he doesn't. Shocking. No, you don't have to.
Oh, shit!
But after a few broken fingers, you're sure as hell gonna want to.
Oh, damn! Fuck!
I only had to break 3 of his fingers before he cracked. Then 1 more just to make sure he's not lying. Apparently Caduto is held up in a trailer near a construction site. He's going to have bodyguards and guns, no doubt, but nowhere to run. The bodyguards are everywhere, but only a few are in my way. They covered too much ground. Fortunately, they're all stupid enough to fall for the oldest trick in the book. Throw a rock and when the other guy looks for the sound, take him. This has been easy. Gotta go quickly. Get to Caduto before he moves. Before they figure out I'm here.
Hello, Anthony.
Damn. I was hoping for it to be a surprise.
I knew they would hire you. I knew you'd be able to find me. You knew which members of the family to ask.
I've hated this man with everything in me. Hate is a strong word.
After all, you used to be one of the family.
But it fits perfectly. I use that hate.
You got nothing to say to me? Huh? You little stronzo? You got nothing to say to me, you son of a...
Shut up!
I let the hate consume me. I take no joy in it. I'm surprisingly calm now. I get the hell out of there quickly. Just need to get away without getting caught. Easier said than done.
Get on the ground. Stay on the ground. Get down.
Damn. This should be fun. How the hell did he get here so fast?
Don't move.
Kaduto's body isn't even cold yet.
Get up.
I want to find out what the hell is going on here.
Let's go.
Someone's gonna pay.